happening tech community. So excited to have you here as we explore this groundbreaking technology. Today, we're going to be reviewing the xTool Apparel Printer, a 14, a 3 DTF printer that's set to revolutionize the world of t-shirt printing and beyond. With its advanced features and user-friendly design, this printer is perfect for anyone looking to take their printing business to the next level. From hobbyists to professionals, this machine is packed with innovative technology that's going to make your printing experience faster, easier, and more efficient. One of the key features that sets the xTool Apparel Printer apart is its advanced third-generation dual printheads. Equipped with dual i1600 printheads, this industrial-grade DTF printer delivers press-ready transfers in as little as 2 minutes, reaching speeds of up to 50 SQ/foot. Imagine being able to achieve A3 prints in 90 seconds and A4 prints in 48 seconds. That's 5x faster than standard DTF printer machines. This means you can significantly boost your productivity and get more prints done in less time. Plus, when paired with the OS1 automatic shaker oven, it fully automates the entire process, from printing to cutting, powdering, and curing, with just a single click. This not only reduces manual steps, but also supports consistent, professional quality results, giving you more time to focus on growing your business. Another game-changing feature of the xTool Apparel Printer is its 24/7 self-maintenance system. The Smart Cycle maintenance system uses real-time humidity and usage data to optimize cleaning, moisturizing, and white ink circulation as needed, giving you true plug-and-play use. This means you can say goodbye to ink waste, minimize startup issues, and extend nozzle lifespan. With a system that stays ready for production, you can enjoy a more seamless printing experience and save time, which is essential for any business. Whether you're printing t-shirts, hoodies, or hats, this feature ensures that your machine is always ready to go, reducing downtime and increasing productivity. The xTool Apparel Printer also delivers pro-grade HD print quality, thanks to its industrial-grade dual i1600 printheads and 720 by 1800 DPI resolution. With G7 certified color accuracy, you can be sure that your printed results closely match your on-screen designs, making it perfect for intricate graphics on various fabric colors. Powered by precision core and variable size droplet technology, this DTF transfer printer enhances print precision and detail up to 25%, offering a reliable option for high-quality results. Whether you're printing for personal use or for a business, this level of quality is sure to impress. And with the xTool Apparel Printer, you can achieve vibrant and detailed prints that will make your products stand out. In addition to its impressive print quality, the xTool Apparel Printer is also incredibly versatile, allowing you to print on a wide range of fabrics, including cotton, polyester, denim, canvas, nylon, and more. Unlike deep G, screen printing, or sublimation, this DTF technology gives you the freedom to design products without fabric type limitations. With automated cutting, powdering, and baking, you can produce up to 44 t-shirts or 440 hat prints in an hour, making it perfect for businesses that need to produce large quantities of prints quickly. Whether you're printing for a small business or a large enterprise, this level of versatility and productivity is sure to take your business to the next level. Lastly, the xTool Apparel Printer is designed to be beginner-friendly, making it easy for anyone to get started with printing. The 16MP AI camera simplifies complex calibrations automatically, while the free xTool Studio software comes with a built-in RIP, eliminating the need for additional third-party software. With AI-powered design tools and a one-click mockup function, managing and fulfilling orders becomes more straightforward and efficient. Whether you're new to printing or a seasoned pro, this machine is designed to make your life easier, giving you more time to focus on what matters most, creating amazing products and growing your business. In conclusion, the xTool Apparel Printer is an incredible machine that's packed with innovative features and technology. From its advanced dual printheads to its 24/7 self-maintenance system, pro-grade HD print quality, and versatile printing capabilities, this printer is sure to take your printing business to the next level. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, this machine is designed to make your life easier, increase productivity, and deliver high-quality results. So, if you're looking to upgrade your printing game, be sure to check out the xTool Apparel Printer. Find the link in the description below to learn more and get your hands on this amazing machine. Don't miss out on this opportunity to take your printing business to new heights. Get ready to experience the future of printing